So let's talk about the smartwatch na nabili ko sa Shopee. First of all, let's talk about the features. This watch has a Bluetooth connectivity feature so you can connect with your phone and receive notification right on your wrist. May kasama na rin siyang wireless charger, which is a huge plus for me because I hate to fumble with cords. At kung isa ka sa mahilig makinig ng music, you'll be happy to know that you can play music directly from your watch via Bluetooth. One of the standout features about this watch is ang ability niya to monitor your heart rate. So this is great for tracking your workouts. There are also a ton of apps available, including games and other useful tools. Now, let's talk about the design. I have to say, I really love the way this watch looks. It really does resemble the Apple Watch, and it feels like a premium product. The phone app has a lot of different themes you can choose from, and I like how you can even import your own photos as wallpaper. The shop also has a ton of accessories you can choose from, like straps and other protective cases. However, there are a few things that I don't like about this watch. The strap can be a little loose, and I've already dropped it once when I was trying to put on my jacket. Buti na lang at hindi siya nabasag. The screen is also a bit of fingerprint magnet, and it scratches easily, which can be annoying. Overall, if you're looking for a cheap smartwatch that does its job, then this is definitely worth considering. It has a ton of features and a great design and a lot of customization options. Just be prepared to be cautious with the strap and keep a close eye on the screen. At kung gusto mong umorder, check mo lang sa description.